Mastertech popped up through a magazine I came across, and I was doing some research along with other franchises, and between the royalty fees, the startup cost, the branding, and just everything along with it, Mastertech for me was a simple choice. It's just very clean, it's very simple, very turnkey, and it's really economical, and it's feasible for anybody looking for a startup or to add to their existing business. It was a family company, cleaning and restoration company out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And that mainly is carpet cleaning, but with a side of restoration, which includes water and mold remediation. Since 2005, straight out of high school, but obviously since it's a family company, I've been in it pretty much on and off since I was little. Just being an owner by myself, branching away from the family business, it's been, to me, the best year of my life. As far as utilizing the Mastertech brand and marketing material, it's really been a no-brainer. It's been really easy. I've been told multiple times that I have the best marketing information out of all the restoration companies in my area, including all the big name brand franchisees. So far, it's been a really good year. Has ups and downs, but it surpassed my goal, which I thought would be unfeasible. And I look forward to many years and hopefully become one of the top 10 earners in the franchisees corporation.